Hey everyone, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा वायरल फ्रेग्रेंस हुआ था इन 2023, उसके बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ। एंड दिस वन इज़ फ्रॉम खदलज। दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज हरीम अल सुल्तान। नाउ हरीम अल सुल्तान परफ्यूम का जो परफ्यूम ऑयल था वो पहले सबसे वायरल हुआ था और उसके सक्सेस के बाद इन्होंने ये परफ्यूम रिलीज़ किया। 2023 में खदलज ने ये रिलीज़ किया था। एंड उसके बाद इंडिया में आते आते एक साल लग गया। एंड नाउ वी आर ऑलरेडी इन 2025 एंड दिस इज़ व्हेन आई हैव रिसीव्ड दिस परफ्यूम। सो इट हैज़ टेकन a lot of batches, a lot of time for it to reach India. And Khadlaj fragrances overall are also expensive in India. धीरे धीरे अब सेंटोपिया और दूसरे ब्रांड्स दूसरे वेबसाइट्स खदलज फ्रेग्रेंसेस इंडिया में लेकर आ रहे हैं। तो बहुत ही लेटेस्ट वाले रिलीजेस अभी भी नहीं आ रहे हैं, अभी भी थोड़े पुराने रिलीजेस ही आ रहे हैं, बट एटलीस्ट आ रहे हैं। This perfume is available at centopiaperfumes.com and you can use my discount coupon code to avail some discount. It is a non-affiliated code, so I won't get a penny out of it. So it's your wish whether you want to avail it or not, but I will leave the details right here, also in the description box. मैंने ये वाला परफ्यूम इनिशियली आशीष भाई से ख़रीदा था फ्रॉम फ्रेगोहॉलिक, बट मेरा शॉपिंग एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा नहीं रहा। तो इसीलिए मैं दोनों ऑप्शंस आपके ऊपर I'll keep it open whether you want to purchase it from Ashish Bhai from Fragolic or you can purchase it from a more reliable website like Centopia। वहाँ पे अच्छा डिस्काउंट है एंड ओवरऑल द सर्विस इज़ बेटर। मैं सारी डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको दे दूँगी फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर परफ्यूम। सो बिफोर वी बिगिन, मेक श्योर कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, यू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड यू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। एंड नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So before I share all the details, I just want to show you that I'm journaling about this perfume. I've made my notes, I've consolidated my thought, and everything that I'm going to say is going to be organized now because obviously I've spent some time to, pen down my thoughts. So let's start with the outer packaging. Harim Al Sultan perfume comes in this cardboard box with quality assurance sticker right here, which tells you that the product is authentic. This is how the box looks like. It's very glaring golden and brown metallic shade. Overall, this is how it looks like. And as you can see, it has this ribbon to pull out. So once you pull out this perfume, this is how the perfume is sitting inside. Has a nice like a coffin pattern, and this is where the perfume is. You can pull it out and this is how it looks like. It also comes with this card which just says thank you for the purchase, and it gives you like a Khadlaj ke website and details and all of that. It does not say the perfume notes and all of that, which I personally don't like. This is how the bottle is. I love how classy, how simple yet elegant this bottle is. It's heavy glass, it's good quality, and it's kind of see-through. You can see the juice color right here. A nice metallic plate with detailing, a nice cap with a red crystal. Overall, just so beautiful, just so gorgeous and so elegant. I love such bottles which are simplistic yet pretty. I love everything about this bottle. So there is a hint of confusion in the notes breakdown for this one because Fragrantica for the perfume is giving the notes that I'm telling you now, but the perfume oil has different notes, and when I sniff this one, I feel that this is more closer to the notes that are present for perfume oil. So I'll just mention the Fragrantica version of notes for this perfume. Opens up with bergamot and rose, mid notes of jasmine, nutmeg and amber, base notes of sandalwood, patchouli and oud or agarwood. But when I spray this, I personally find a lot of peach, a lot of fruit blast in this perfume, which in the notes present in Fragrantica don't say so. I really feel that there is something wrong or glitch with the notes, and I feel that the perfume oil के जो notes हैं वो इसके लिए ज़्यादा appropriate है. So perfume oil के जो notes हैं, those are bergamot, jasmine, peony. Middle notes of pineapple, peach and plum. So I definitely get the fruity blast of pineapple, peach and plum. So I think these are not the correct notes. And the base notes of musk, sandalwood and patchouli. Now I just want to show you the sprayer on this one. So diffuses and sprays the product really nice. Yeah, this definitely has a lot of fruitiness, a lot of freshness. According to me, this is like a freshy, fruity kind of borderline tropical touching fragrance with hints of florals in there. Proper fruity floral fragrance is what this reminds me. It's very refreshing. It's a good start of the day kind of a perfume. It's refreshing, it's bubbly, it has a good vibe to it, it has a joyful feel to it, it makes me feel very happy, it has a very positive vibe to it. And with all of these notes like patchouli, woodiness, and all of these notes combined, it definitely has a maturity factor to it. It's not at all a juvenile fruity floral. It's a mature womanly fruity floral for sure. This is a kind of perfume which is like all season appropriate, especially during daytime. During evenings and nighttime, I don't think this will be like a super good kind of a fragrance because it's super fresh and super lively. So it's better for daytime, and this is the kind of fragrance that you can wear to office, plus you can wear on special occasions like birthdays. This is just a very fresh, very refreshing, very fruity, very sweet kind of a perfume. The performance on this one is around 6 to 7 hours on me, especially on my skin. On my clothes, this lasts about 8 hours. I do tend to refresh this fragrance every 5 hours because I just feel the need of doing that. Like in every 5 hours, I need to refresh it. So I like doing that, and I like the zesty blast that I get with it. So I like doing that, but it's not really needed. The projection and sillage on this one is decent, creates a good scent bubble around me, and this is a compliment getter. People tend to love this kind of a fragrance on me, and I get tons of compliments on this one. I definitely feel this to be a safe blind buy because it's just non-offensive kind of a fragrance. I think anyone from every age can enjoy this one, and there is no age restriction on using this. This makes it perfect gifting option for a woman fragrance because again, it's safe blind buy and it is something which performs really well. The pricing is good. Overall perfect gifting option. 75 ml of this fragrance is priced for 3,000 rupees, which is expensive, but on Scentopia you're getting this for around 2,100, and with my discount coupon code you can further reduce it. So I think for that price point the perfume is justified. Now, Khadlaj is a Middle Eastern brand, but this does not have like a very strong oud to it. Like the oud comes out very woody in this fragrance. So I'll say that this gives more of a designer feel of a fragrance rather than a Middle Eastern one. So if you are afraid of oud, don't be afraid of this fragrance and go ahead because this just has a very nice designer feel to it. So I've written some adjectives that I can relate to this fragrance, and it is everyday fragrance, modern, designer, fun, happy, joyful, sunshine, strong, airy at the same time, and fresh due to the fruitiness that's present, woody, flirty, and sweet. So these are the overall words that I have used to describe this fragrance, and this is how I have journaled this one. So I think I've consolidated all of my thoughts together, and this is a perfect office going fragrance, and I really enjoy using this one. And overall, I think the hype around this fragrance is real, and the hype is something that it deserves. My overall rating for this perfume is 10 out of 10. I understand why the internet blew for this one, and it makes sense to give this one a 10 out of 10 because I also love it so much, and I've already started giving a good 10 to it, so that just speaks a lot about this fragrance. So that's it for today's video. That concludes my review. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.